How are you everyone? Today we are going to start session 4, decorating my home. In this session, inshallah, we are going to take how to add doors and windows and how to add furniture and how to modify furniture. As you see in the last time, we took how to add walls and how to add and how to modify it. This is our home. I will make it bigger so you can see the step we reached till now. Okay, this is my home. You can see it. It is the walls. We nearly make everything inside it. Okay, now we are going to add the doors and the windows. Okay, let's start. Here I will begin with this bedroom. I need to add here the windows and the doors. So I will choose from this category, doors and windows. Here I have different designs for the doors and windows. I will start to add an open door. I will drag it here and put here the door. As you see, the door is opening from outside. To edit it, you can double click on the thing you want, for example the door. Here it's named open door, you can name it anything else. And here it will be the location, here it will be elevation. Elevation is its height from the floor. Like the windows, windows is not directly from on the floor, it is a little bit high, so this one. And also doors is not on the floor, it is a little bit high. So for the elevation here, I will keep it only 5 cm, not 5 is too much, so I will keep it 2 cm up from the floor. Here this one. And the height, I will cut these 2 points from the height. So here I will make it only 6. Here the color of the door, I can change it. I will make it brown. For example, this degree of the brown is good. And if you want to apply any texture on it, to give it a certain texture, you can choose texture and choose, for example, group of these textures. I need it to be plain, this color, so I will keep it with the color. And here the material, if you want to modify, you can modify the material, make it, for example, white, wool pro. You can add any as you can. You can add, for example, a color here, brown, as we took, and add a texture on it, for example, to be like the wooden one. So it will have the 2 degrees together. Here you can make it matte or shiny as you want. And I will press OK. So this one will be my door, if you can see it here. Okay, now again, the door is outside. How to rotate it? I told that I will double click on it, and I have here mirror shape. I will activate the mirror shape. It will come to the other side and I will rotate it. As you see now, it is rotated. I will put it here in its place. Now this is my door. It is the height of the door. I can change the height of the door from here also. Now it's all done nearly. This is my door. You can see it now. I put my door for the time being. So now this is my door. Okay, now I will put another window. So again here I will put a window. For example, I have here a small window and doors and windows. This one is my small window or the slider window. It is better for this place, so I will drag it and put it here, the slider window. Again, I need it to become bigger, so I will make it bigger. I will let you see it while I am drawing it. It is the window in the back. I will make it bigger with this shape, and I will make it sliding in this. I am moving it with the arrows. Now this is my window, as you can see here down. I need you to notice something, that my window is nearly reaching the floor. This is not the proper way, so I need to increase its elevation. So I will go here, double click on it. I need it to be nearly 1 meter from the floor, so I will write here 100. Okay, and I will press OK. We'll need to change the height, but again, I need you to see what will happen. Now my window is coming up of the wall. This is not the proper way. That's why whenever you are going to change the elevation, you will need to change the what? Its height. I will decrease this one by 1 meter, so it will be only 1, and I will press OK. Nearly it will be having this shape. If you want to increase it more, you can increase it as you want, and again I can change its design. I will change its color, make it brown, and I will press OK. Now I will press here OK. Now this is my window, it is appearing brown as you see. So this is regarding the windows and the doors. Now we can add some more items to our room. We can go here to the bedroom. I have here a corner bed. I can drag it, put it in this side. This one will be okay for me if you can see it. For example, in the other side we can do also something. We can change its color if you want. Double click again to change its color. Here the color. Or if you want to add a texture, the same way you will do it. You can make it blue. So again, so this is the bed. If you can see or leave it with the same color, but again I am telling you how to change the colors. Again we are going to add another part. It is like wordable. I'm going to drag it and put it in this area. Again we are not dragging to the 3D, we are dragging here. This is my wordable. I will increase its size. I will increase it more to take all this area. To make it higher, I will double click to change its height. Here you can see it is not reaching up, so I can make it a little bit high. I can make it 190 centimeter. Now it is becoming higher. Excellent. Can change its color, so again double click, change its color, add a little bit texture on it, or material. Here I will make it from here, material, modify, add a texture on it, so it will not be plain, like small stones in it or tiles. And I will press OK. Again I need to add a small chest or a small part to my bedroom, so I can go to the wall and choose corner, this one, and I can put it in this corner as I need. You can also change its color. Here you can see it now, like a small corner added to my room. Of course, if you want it big, you can make it bigger. This is the height. You can increase the height. Now I change both of them. I will put it in its place. Now it is becoming bigger, as you see. If you need to add some more effects, for example, like curtains, like this one, of course you can add it. I will put it here, for example, the curtains, and I will increase its size. You can see it from here. If you don't want to cover all the window, you can only decrease it like this. So even the curtains you can put to see the design that you need. I need to add a small place to sit, like the chairs. Here, for example, I will take this armchair and put it here in this place. Can rotate it to be sitting next to the window or in front of the window, and we can add a small table. A small rectangle table here. I make it very small, and I will drag it to be here as a side one. Again, this one will be my design. As you see, a small room. Can add more decoration, like for example plants. You can add more plants. You will find plants, and also you can have lights. Also you can add lights as you want. I will add here a plant, for example, in this area. So a plant will be appearing. I will drag it nearly to the other side. Now this is my design. If you want wish the table to be here, you can drag it here. Again, this one will be my room. After furnituring, you can change whatever you need. Now I will start furnituring my bathroom. Okay, we are going to start with the door, so I will put this one open door again in this area, as you see. Here I will make it a little bit higher. I will increase its thickness, its width. Now its width is nearly okay. We will see it. If we need to increase it, we are going, or decrease, we are going to decrease it later. Now this is my door. I think this is enough. I need to rotate it now, so I will go here, search for my rotating icon, and I am going to rotate it. Now it is rotated, but I need its mirror to come in the other side, so I will double click. Sorry, I will double click, and I will choose mirror shape. Now it's coming in the proper place, as you see, but I need to again to decrease its thickness, the depth. It will take nearly 10 centimeter or nearly 8 centimeter. Again, this is, I think this is good. It will be nearly like the wall. And again, you can add the same design. We make it in the other door. Now you can add the other ones, the tap and the sink and everything. I will go to the bathroom group here, and I will take here fitted path. I will drag it here, and I will decrease it. I will decrease it more, and I will move it by the arrows. Sometimes you can find the arrows more helpful. This one, for example. Now it is coming in the proper place. I will try to show it for you what I am drawing, so it will be easier to design or to imagine. Here I will double click to change its color. I will choose color. I will make it a little bit beigey. Here, okay. So it will appear like this one. And I will add a toilet unit here in this place. It is good to start with a blueprint, because when you start your blueprint you don't have to imagine too much. You will know where is your items will be added, then you will add it from yourself. And here also I will add the wash unit or the washing unit, and I will also increase its width to be like this one. I need to change this color again, so I will choose color, and I will choose the last color here. I took it, and okay, again okay, and the same one here. Double click, again color, change the color, and I will choose the last one, okay, with the same way. Now my toilet is nearly finished and it is done. I have all the items I needed inside. If you want to add washing machine, you can. If you want to keep it like this one, if you want to change the places as you want, again, if you want to add plants, if you want to add anything, it is ready. Now everything is done. You can complete putting also the kitchen with the same place, and the other bedroom and the closet, everything will be with the same way. I hope it's clear now. I will finish adding all the items again and we return back inshallah.